Hi Ken, this is Caitlin from Livery Automotive. I wanted to send you this quick video so I could introduce myself. I'll be the product specialist you'll be working with. I know you've been in contact with a few of our team members already. I also wanted to send you this video so you could see the condition of the XT5 before you guys arrive this afternoon. So, as for the remote, this XT5 is going to be a push button. You're going to have remote start, you're going to have your trunk, your unlock, lock, and alarm. As for the exterior of the XT5, it is in a super clean condition. There are a few rock chips on the front bumper, which is kind of expected for a 2018. There is one little mark that I saw right here above the Cadillac badging. I'll try and get my phone to focus in on it here. You can see, comparing my fingernail tip, it's not very big at all. Start you off with the back seats here. Super clean. I don't really see any marks, any wear, anything like that. You do have your air vents in the back as well, and some USB ports down at the bottom so you could charge multiple devices. As for the trunk, you are going to have your power liftgate, so as long as it's unlocked, you can either use a remote, come up and push the button, and up it'll go. You have plenty of trunk space in the back here. My apologies for my mix-up in words. Underneath, you do have your bar to help, which you can latch into these rails here. It'll help prevent things from sliding back and forth. You do have your seats back here where you can pull this lever and the seat will just fold down. Super convenient if you have big things and you don't want to go around front to close them. Close the trunk here. One of my favorite safety features on the XT5 is the side blind zone alert that it's equipped with. I have it in my terrain right now and I absolutely love it. You can see it's turning on right there whenever I boot the car. Turn the volume down here. You can see the only dash light that is on right now is my seat belt because I have not buckled it. As for your steering wheel, you're going to have your Bluetooth, you're going to have your cruise control, these are going to be for your volumes. This is going to be your lane keep assist, your heated steering wheel, and this is going to be your collision alert. You're also going to have some memory seats as well as your power windows, power mirrors. You're also going to be able to fold them in with a push of a button and fold them back out. You're going to have your shifter knob over here. It's super easy. Push the button in, pull it down, that's in drive. Push it in, pull it up and to the left, and now it's in reverse. You'll be able to see the crystal clear camera that is on here. To put it in park, you just push P. You have your heated seats, dual air, and all of your options on the screen, including climate, phone. You have navigation. You have an auto dimming mirror here that'll automatically dim, hence the name, if a vehicle pulls up behind you. And of course, you have your sunroof. Does open, show you that here, as well as close. As for the front passenger seat and front driver's seat, they're in very good condition as well. And another feature that a lot of people are starting to enjoy nowadays are the wireless charging that is included in these. Ken, if you have any additional pictures or videos you would like, please feel free to let me know. I've also attached the inspection report to this email. But yeah, thank you so much.